Instagram has launched the trial of a new feature called Reels last year in November. With the help of this feature, users can mimic the functionality of popular short video application TikTok. The company has announced last week that it was testing the feature in France and Germany, but a new report claims that the feature might have made its way to Indian users as well. According to a report by Business Insider, the new technology has also been released to selected users in India for testing. Though the company has not mentioned India in the list of countries that will be receiving the feature, they did mention that it will be rolled out to other regions. We are planning to start testing an updated version of Reels in more countries. Reels is a fun, creative way for people to both express themselves and be entertained. We are excited to bring this new version to more of our global community. No further plans to share on launch date or countries for now, a Facebook spokesperson said in a statement. Just like TikTok, Reels will allow the users to create 15-second videos that can be edited with audio files or music tracks. This new feature comes at a time when the leading app in this segment, TikTok, had to exit the country due to an order by the Indian government. 59 Chinese apps were removed from both Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. Another popular Indian alternative to TikTok called Chingari has registered over 1 crore downloads in a matter of few weeks.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.